Good Night Trucks, a bedtime book by Brian Biggs. What is he telling in this book? He says, Good night, trucks. So, this is a milk truck, that is, this is a fire truck. You can see a dog. This is the fire hydrant, and this is a fire truck. And there are two firemen. They are at the fire station and teaching the dog importance of a fire truck. And this is a tractor trailer. Tractor trailer delivers cereal to our favorite departmental stores. What is your favorite departmental stores? Or a grocery store? HEB. There are letters in HEB. And this is a dump truck. Dump truck dumps garbage. And this is a garbage truck. This picks up garbage across our residential communities. As you can see, there is a good Samaritan bird that is showing the garbage bins to the garbage men who pick the garbage in the garbage truck. And this is a blue sky gas truck called as a tanker truck. It puts gas in the gas stations. And then there is a tow truck. Tow trucks tows cars and other vehicles because it does not allow the vehicles to shut down on the roads. And then there is a favorite truck of all, the ice cream truck. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. And then this is a monster truck. Is it a monster truck really? It's a flatbed truck. It carries different trucks across interstates. And then there is a motor home. It is also a home on wheels. Shh. This is an RV park where all the recreational vehicles are parked through the night. They live here, they stay here, and they go to sleep here every night. Shh. Good night.